Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Faith in Jesus Christ begins with the first verse of the Bible. Genesis 1 verse 1 says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." This is a very significant claim. These words were written at least 3,400 years ago by a man who knew nothing of modern physics and astronomy. This verse claims that the universe had a beginning, and what exists now is an intentional creation set in motion by God. So is this true? Does modern science agree that the universe had a beginning? Yes, but there are many scientists that don't like that conclusion. Dr. Stephen Hawking, world-renowned astrophysicist and atheist, said this about the origin of the universe. Many scientists were still unhappy with the universe having a beginning because it seemed to imply that physics broke down. One would have to invoke an outside agency, which for convenience one can call God, to determine how the universe began. Some scientists have proposed that the universe is eternal, without beginning or without end. But these hypotheses are not based on any observation in science. They're based in a bias against God. In the same lecture, Dr. Hawking said this: "The motivation for believing in an eternal universe was the desire to avoid invoking divine intervention to create the universe and set it going." So this point is not so much an evidence for faith, but rather an acknowledgement that there are people in the world who reject faith in God on the basis of feelings and preferences, but not on the basis of facts. The fact that this universe exists at all is one of the principal evidences for God. So what's the alternative? If there was no God and no creation, then matter, space, time, and all the binding laws of the universe must have spontaneously emerged from nothing. Somehow, then, nothing became everything by some process that contradicts the laws of the universe. If that sounds ridiculous, it's because it is. Isaac Newton said it like this: "This most beautiful system of the sun, planets, and comets could only proceed from the counsel and dominion of an intelligent and powerful being." Faith begins with the acknowledgement that the earth and the entire universe was created by God. The laws of physics cannot explain where you came from, but the first verse of the Bible does. This universe exists because something greater than the universe exists, and that is God. Thanks for watching.